Hi guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how to make these autumn leaves. This one I made from the yarn and Lydia's 50 grams 360 meters and crochet hook 0.75 melange color. It's from light yellow till bright orange. And this one is exact pattern as previous, but I use crochet hook Susan number 2 and yarn. It was Listerine 50 grams 200 meters, exactly the same pattern but different yarn, different hook, make look different way. Let's get started and make this real. Take the yarn and crochet hook Susan Bites number 2 and make 6 chain. I use these methods and it will be 2 chain at once. Now I need to make 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 in total. Join it into the first chain with slip stitch. Grab the yarn, pull through everything. That we have ring. Now make 3 chain to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, and from now on we will work in this ring. We need to make 3 double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into the ring, bring up the yarn. We have 3 loops on a chain. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is 1 double crochet. Another one, and the third. Now make 1 treble crochet. 2 times yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, bring it up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. This is a treble crochet. Now we need to make double treble crochet. 3 times yarn over, insert into the ring, pull up the yarn, bring it up. We have 5 loops on a hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and one more time, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we need to make 3 chain, and from now on we will come back on this side and we'll make other side of the leaf. 3 times yarn over for double treble crochet, insert into the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, 4 times. Treble crochet, 2 yarns on a hook, insert into the ring, three double crochet, this is 1, 2, and 3. This is other side of the leaf. 3 chain and 1 slip stitch into the ring, or you can make it into the first chain of this row. Slip stitch. First round is ready. Now we will work all around with single crochets, and we will make picot on top of the leaf. To start the second row, we need to make one chain to bring up the yarn. Now we will work under this 3 chain of previous row. I will call it arch. We need to make 4 single crochet under this arch. 1, pull it a little bit, 2, 3. If you see that there is no space to make another one, just remove the hook, pull the stitches you just made a little bit to your side, and you will see it will be space to work on. And we can fit the 4th single crochet under this arch. Now make 5 single crochets on the side of the leaf. Insert the hook under 2 loops of the previous row stitches. This is 2, 3, 4 and 5. We came to the middle. In the middle we have 3 chain of previous row. Now we will work on this one. Go under the arch and make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. Three chain picot. To make 3 chain picot, we need to put 1, 2, 3 chains, slip stitch under either on a first loop, or you can work in these 2 loops. It's one of the loops belongs to chain and one of the loops belongs to single crochet. Pull through 2 loops, grab the yarn and pull it up through everything. We have 3 chain picot. 3 single crochet under the same arch, pull it a little bit, 1, 2, 3. 5 single crochet on other side of the leaf, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 single crochet under the 3 chain arch of previous row to make it similar at other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch into the chain of the beginning of this row. Pull through everything. Now we have leaf. To make a stalk, make 7 or 8 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, skip 1 loop, and from the second loop till the body of the leaf, we will make slip stitches. To make the first one, I usually hold this first loop. Another one, third slip stitch, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And one last slip stitch to join the stalk and the body of the leaf. Insert into the chain of previous rows or somewhere in the middle and pull it. Now we need to cut the yarn and pull the working yarn up. Hide the tails and enjoy your work. Thank you so much for watching and stay with me for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.